Well, I got a side quest. I got a call that this car left my father-in-law on the side of the road, so I went and got him, and I discovered a broken hose over here, so I took the interior radiator off the circuit and connected the two pipe ends together. Now the problem is I discovered that it's leaking from the engine side over here. I suspect that the water pump is damaged in some way, so I will try to get to it. So I can't really tell where the leak is from, but maybe the camera footage will So I removed the roller for the belt, and I'm gonna pour in some more. I'm gonna open the cap, and it's gonna allow air to Okay, it seems to be leaking between the engine block and the water pump, so next thing is to remove the water pump. After the inspection of the pump, I found out that the inner seal is busted and the water flows out from this. I don't know why is this here. This is some drain tube. Either way, the inner seal is busted, and that's where the coolant flew out. This is gonna get a new pump and hopefully be back on the road. I rushed to get the car running, and I didn't have time to film it, but I got the new pump installed, and I'm gonna show you now the startup. So the engine has a pretty loud knock. So I think this engine is going to blow up soon. So I will try to get this open and see the failure point, but I suppose it's the rear seal. I sharpened that chisel and we'll try to break this. Okay. Yeah, the rubber is totally busted. It's not even really old pump. I changed it myself. I could even find out exactly when, but not really long ago. Okay, so I need to do a full rebuild. Link it on this old Audi A4 B5. There are a couple of problematic spots. It's the pre-facelift one and it has a steel. Either way, it's not the aluminum one, but it still might be corroded very badly. Okay, this is the oh, of course it's seized. Oh, I had a bit help with getting off the lower ball joints, but it wasn't that bad. And this is the first bar we're replacing. I hope I have all the new bolts also. Gonna need an alignment afterwards. I still have the bottom control arms undue from the inside. Okay, it's out. Okay, the passenger side is done. I'm doing the other side and I'm almost at the point where I can install the new parts.